welcome to my interesting life. If you're new here, my name is Diana. Somebody commented that they wanted me to make chocolate brownies, so today I'm making my favorite recipe for you. Alright, so let's wash your hands, get on your apron, and pull back your hair. Let's get started. So, I have tried numerous recipes for brownies, and this one is the easiest and it tastes the best. It's a box. Now I know I've made so many homemade baking videos, as you can see, but this is just the best one I've ever tasted, and I've made this for almost every single person I know, and all of them think it's homemade. Well, now they're gonna know it's boxed. But anyway, if you don't like it, okay, you can click on another video, but this is the best one, I'm telling you. So don't knock it till you try it. We're gonna preheat our oven to 325 degrees. Next, we're gonna get our pan. This is a 8x13 pan, by the way. And you put parchment paper just on top like that. So for this very complex recipe, we're gonna need 4 ingredients. 2 whole eggs, 2/3 cup of vegetable oil, and 3 tablespoons of water, and of course, our perfect box mix. So first, we're gonna pour this mix into a bowl. Make sure you get all of it out. Next, we're going to add our oil, then the water, and the eggs. Now we're going to mix it until it's well combined, but we don't want to kill it, so we're going to do about 50 strokes. Now we're going to take our batter and pour it into the pan. So you want to make sure it looks about level and even. If you like your brownies thick, bake them in a smaller pan, but I personally prefer thin brownies, so that's why I'm doing it like this. And of course, you always have to taste the batter. That's good. Now we're going to put it in the oven on the bottom rack in the center, and it's going to bake for about 25 minutes, give or take a few. While my brownies are cooking in the oven, I just want to say thank you to my 50 subscribers. Because ever since I started my channel, I was really hoping I would get to 50. When I'm filming this, I'm at 27 subscribers. I currently have 32 subscribers. I'm currently at 35 subscribers, and I'm really trying to get to 50. I'm really trying hard to get to 50, and I'm trying so hard to get to 50. And you guys totally crushed that, so thank you very much. Now, my new goal is to get to 75 subscribers. So if you viewers aren't subscribed already, make sure to hit that button down below. And if you are subscribed, please try to get your friends and family to subscribe to my channel too. So my brownies have been cooking in the oven for about 27 minutes. And when I test them, it comes out clear and there's no liquid batter. So that means they are ready. I took my brownies out of the pan and I put them on the cooling rack. Alright guys, our brownies are done. Now just look at them. You see? They look just like they're homemade. The cracks on the top, a little misshapen. And make sure that you get the Duncan Hines Chewy Fudge Brownies, because those are the best ones. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I post my videos. Thanks for watching!